Hi, this is Patrick with E38. In this video, I'll show you how to use the static processing option in Emlid Studio. We recommend using precise point processing through a Spider Business Center Ntrip service if you have the option, or use the improved Opus Beta or Opus before this method. But if you can't get a solution there, this is another option to improve a static point. We'll launch Emlid Studio and select the static processing option. If I open the observation file from my base, we can see a lot of noise and cycle slips. That is likely why we can't get a solution from Opus. Now if I import the observation and navigation files, the .250 and .25p respectively, we just need an observation file from a known base. For this example, there's a core station in the South Carolina RTN network that is only a few miles away. So I can download the RINEX file from that station in the network for the corresponding time that the base was logging. I can check the processing settings to adjust these parameters in case I want to cut out a few minutes from the beginning and or end of the log, or output all of the solutions, or just the best one filtered through EFK. Click process and we have a precise point based on corrections from the nearest SCRTN core station. Comparing the process coordinate with the average single solution, we see a major shift of about 5.5 feet. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.